In general, hotels that are considered small are those that have a structure containing up to 50 rooms. For the hotel to be considered small, where in the majority of cases there is not a large influx of people, this type of hotel is usually managed by the owner or by the owner's family and relies on some form of third-party services. The hotels that have up to 150 rooms are considered medium size. They generally have a more complex organization with a greater distinction between the hotel departments and have a larger number of employees. Besides these, we have hotels that are considered large, which are those that have more than 150 rooms. The organization is extremely complex, and many have more than one manager with even more specialized services.
There are various hotel classification systems in the world. Some systems are run by private businesses, while others are considered public organizations.
In Europe, hotels are usually ranked on a scale from 1 to 5 stars, with 5 stars being the highest rating possible. In Australia and Canada, the system is also based on 5 stars, while sometimes using half-star increments. In the United States, the hotels are generally ranked on a scale from 1 to 5 stars by the Forbes Travel Guide, or are classified with diamonds, also on a scale from 1 to 5 by the American Automobile Association.
Systems using terms such as deluxe luxury, first class superior, tourist class standard, and budget class economy are more widely accepted as hotel types rather than hotel standards. Each organization has its own criteria to certify the level of hotel quality. Basically, the criteria used to evaluate the hotels are
location, cleanliness and upkeep of the structure, degree of comfort, management and staff, exterior grounds and public areas, guest room decor, ambiance and amenities, bathrooms, guest services, security and safety.
There are different types of rooms that can be divided and distinguished according to specific classification for the hotel's category. These classifications vary from hotel to hotel and depend on its structure.
For example, accommodation capacity, standard, executive, or luxurious categories, interior location, exterior location, bed sizes, and special rooms. The accommodation capacity refers to the number of guests that a room can host, having a single or double bed, and if there is the possibility to put in an extra bed or crib. This information is offered to the guests when they reserve the room or at check-in. The classification by category refers to the level of comfort and sophistication that a room has. The more luxurious, the higher the daily cost. The interior location refers to the proximity of the rooms on the same floor, whereas the exterior location refers to the type of view that the room offers. As for the classification by bed measurements, in the case that the hotel has this type of distinction, it is determined by the size of the bed that the guest requests. And finally, there are special rooms, which are adapted to the social and specific needs of certain guests, as in the case of VIP guests, executive guests, guests with some type of deficiency, as well as specific rooms for smokers. The specific rooms for guests with physical deficiencies have some particulars, such as doors larger than the standard to allow a person in a wheelchair to enter, support bars in the bedroom and the bathroom that allow easy movement and safety, adapted telephones with special dial pads, informational folders in Braille for guests with visual deficiencies, and communication systems specially equipped with lights and other adaptations for guests with hearing deficiencies.